how to file for a homestead exemption in Georgia. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to file for a homestead exemption in Georgia. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, make sure you're eligible. In Georgia, you need to be the homeowner and occupy the property as your primary residence on January 1st of the tax year you're applying for. Collect essential documents like a valid Georgia driver's license or ID with the property address, proof of residency, and a copy of your property deed if required. Next, go to the website of your county tax commissioner or tax assessor's office. Each county in Georgia handles homestead exemptions individually, so you'll need to follow the specific instructions for your county. Fill out the application form carefully. Include your personal information, property address, and any other requested details to ensure it's processed correctly. Submit the application. Once you've completed the form, submit it to your county tax commissioner's office either online, by mail, or in person, depending on your county's process. After submitting, the county will review your application. If approved, the exemption will apply to your property tax bill, reducing your tax amount. That's all for the video.